Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video where today is an exciting day. I've been wanting this for a really long time. So yeah. I got this as an early birthday present today from my mom. She's behind the camera in all my videos. So yeah, she got me this for an early birthday present and here it is. A Jetson Spear light up hoverboard. Man, this thing is insane. I've actually already rode one before at my friend's house, so I've kind of gotten experience with it. But let's see the features. So it's an all-terrain tires, light-up deck and wheels, active balance technology, extra wide foot pads, and anti-slip grip pads. Its max speed is up to 10 miles per hour. And its maximum range is up to 10 miles. It has light up wheels and it has a multicolored LED deck. So let's get this opened. All right. Oh my gosh. So right as you open it, first thing you see is the charger, which we'll put it on charging for a few minutes because it's probably gonna come dead. But this is the charger. Pretty simple with the circular thing. So yes, let's keep this to the side. Got some styrofoam things. Oh my gosh, guys. This is it. This is a hoverboard. Oh, it's heavy. Oh my gosh, this is actually super heavy. Let's move this box out of the way. And wow. Man, this thing is so cool. Let's get this thing off and look at it. So, this is the hoverboard. It has the same on-off button as all the other hoverboards. It's already a little charged up. Wait. All right. Whoa. That's so cool. As I've said, I've already tried one before. So I know how to ride it, but this is so cool. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted a hoverboard. I always thought it was super hard to learn, but actually, you can actually get the hang of it in a few minutes, like me. So yeah, Jetson. This is insane, and the fact that it lights up as well, I can use these in at night. Let's take a look at the wheels there. Wow. This is actually insane. And there was actually not much in the box. There was actually only the hoverboard and the charger, but I feel like I do see. Let's turn that off. I don't want to waste its battery. But wait. There's this thing. What is this? There we go. There might be some manuals and stuff. Yeah, I think this is the manual for it. But yeah. Safety warnings. It shows everything on it. Huh. Cool, cool. And then there's a Jetson Care little thing. But we don't really need to worry about that. But yes. Here she is. Man. Like all other devices and stuff like this come at about full charged. So we might put it on charging for a few minutes and then have it at full charge. So yeah, a hoverboard. I've been really wanting one of these, so it's really cool to finally get one. And yeah. Okay, yeah, so let's take it for a spin outside for the first time. This is actually pretty fun. Today I'm taking it a little slower because, like, you know, it's my first day, but it's pretty fun actually. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, bye.